to my channel today. I've got a really exciting video for you all. I'm going to be doing a how to have a successful YouTube channel and to gain subscribers. We'll get started. My jumper is from Pineapple, but I bought it from Miss Selfridge. Just to let everyone know, I will try and link it down below if I can. But yeah, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Give it a big thumbs up. Let's try to get this to 1k likes because it really helps me a lot. It literally takes 5 seconds. Just go give it a like if you want. And yeah, this has been requested for so long. How to have a successful YouTube for beginners, a beginner's guide to YouTube basically, and how to actually get subscribers, do's, don'ts, everything along them lines. So we're just going to jump straight into it because I know people hate long intros. But yeah, I've got some things wrote down and I'm going to be explaining each one. So the first of all, I just want to say, you've got to be patient because it's not going to happen overnight. I have people messaging me going, all the time going like, oh my god, I don't know what to do, I'm not getting subscribers. And I go on their channel and they've literally uploaded 5 videos and started like 2 weeks ago, and it's not going to happen that quick. And if it does, then you're very lucky, but 9 times out of 10 it's not going to happen overnight, let alone even in a month probably. It actually, fun fact, took me 6 whole months to just get 100 subscribers, and that was from June 2017 until December 2017. Then I finally hit 100 subscribers, and then now I'm on nearly 34k. So I mean, you just got to be patient because once you start getting more and more, you'll get more, if that makes sense. I started really getting loads when I hit 10k. That's when like this kind of rolled in. But yeah, you got to be patient because you just don't give up. Do not give up, because if you give up, then you never know what could have happened. Like, you could have been the biggest YouTube hit. You could have like grown like 50k overnight, like one night, if something goes viral. So don't give up. Like, please just don't give up. Now, if you have a YouTube channel right now, and you've been doing it for say like 4 months, it's not getting anywhere, don't give up, because one day you might wake up and you start getting those subscribers. Trust me. And even if you gain slowly, you're still gaining. It's still getting you somewhere. And if you're not gaining at all, don't worry, you will, I promise. I literally didn't even gain a subscriber a week once upon a time. Don't give up. That's the biggest thing. Next thing, I'm going to be going into like equipment and that later on in the video. The next thing is to work hard. This is pretty obvious, but you have got to work hard. People seem to think YouTube is not work. Obviously I'm 14 and I go to school, and somehow I go to school full time and I upload every single day. When my GCSEs come along, obviously I can't do that. I'm currently in year 10. But obviously I've got my mocks and that, so I will have to slow it down in my mocks and my GCSEs in year 11. So yeah, but for now, you have got to work hard. If you want to get somewhere, you've got to work hard, and I mean that. You cannot upload videos that are sloppily edited. I like that word, sloppily edited, and I will do a video on how to edit. I use my iMovie on my phone and I film on my iPhone 6s. But yeah, you cannot have rubbish, like, you've got to work hard. That one just says it on its own. Okay, this is pretty obvious also, don't be boring. This is obvious, I know, but I just want to say, like, you've got to seem excited, does that make sense? Because I know for a fact, if I watch a YouTuber and they seem very, like, okay, so, hello everyone, like that, I can't watch them. And, like, you need to be happy. Like, even if, like, I know it's impossible to be happy all the time, because I'm definitely not happy all the time, but I just film when I'm happy. Do not film when you feel like down, because it can like show. But yeah, I know that's like sounds a bit harsh, don't be boring, but it's true, and someone's got to say it. Someone's got to say it. And I know a lot of people aren't boring, so actually, no one's boring. I don't think I've ever met a really boring person. Everyone else thinks fun about them, but like, make sure you show your real personality on camera. Like, don't like be shy. Don't hold back. Show your all your personality on camera, because then people fall in love with it. Don't worry, everyone will fall in love with you. This is going weird, but just trust me. Okay. Invest money and time. So before I go into the money bit, time. You need to invest a lot of time, obviously, because you can't, if you upload once a week, you're not going to get as many subscribers if you upload like 4 to like 7 times a week, because you're uploading different videos, more and more videos, and more people join your channel and subscribe. Whereas if you're uploading once a week, you're not going to get as many subscribers because you're not uploading that much. So what I mean by time is any time you have, put it into YouTube, any time spare, and even make time spare for YouTube, because I know I do. I have to make my time, like I have to make sure I have time for YouTube over anything else, and that's, yeah. And then with money, obviously you will probably have to invest money. Not at first. I know I literally don't use anything. I don't use a camera. I will be getting a G7X soon, next month. Canon G7X. I'm very excited. Out my own money before anyone says. But yeah, I do use literally my iPhone 6s back camera. That's amazing, and it actually has got me here to 34K by using my phone. And I do use a light, I will show you that at the end, and that was an umbrella light. They come with 2 for only £34, well £40. And I know I'm saying only because £40 isn't cheap, but it's extremely good price for filming lights. They're usually like 200 quid, so I think that's pretty good. And then I use a microphone stand, I don't know where it's from, and a mini little tripod from a shop called Tiger, but you can get it from Amazon. So yeah, that's what I mean by money. You are gonna need also quality content. What I mean by this, not good qualities in filming, like that, like what camera you have. You don't have to spend like £700 on a camera, but you will need good lighting. Good lighting is the key to anything. Like, I'm just going to show you something right now. I have my massive window open. Yeah, if I turn off my light, like that's not good quality, but as soon as I turn the thing on, it's fine again. So I just think lighting makes everything better. Save up just like 40 quid just to get them lights. Or you can even get like one of them like phone ring lights, and they're really cheap. But yeah, you don't spend a lot of money, but obviously you will need a little bit of money to invest, and you will need quality content and good quality video. Not qualities in filming quality, but make sure the video is good quality. That makes no sense, but you know what I mean. Like, it's a good video. Yeah. Okay, so don't do it for the wrong reasons. Do not do YouTube for the wrong reasons. People can tell. Obviously I earn money for YouTube, and I did not. I only started earning money for YouTube at the start of July in 2018, and I started my channel in June 2017. So I did like over a year without earning any money from it, and it did not bother me, and I still would obviously do YouTube without earning money because I did it for a year anyway, so why would I just randomly stop if I wasn't earning money? Like, literally, obviously it's so lovely to have that because I do put a lot of effort in and work in, but it's like, you shouldn't do it for the money. So many people are like, oh, like, they just want to do YouTube for the money, and you can tell, and it's ridiculous because you won't get anywhere because people will know you're not doing YouTube for the fun. You need to do YouTube for you and for funness. Not a little bit cringe. And also for like fame as well. Don't do it for fame because you won't get famous if you are doing it for the wrong reasons, because people can tell, like I just said, like people will be able to tell through anything. Like, trust me, trust out me. Also, good thumbnails. I will do a whole video on how I make my thumbnails. Please don't ask because I will do a video because it's very hard to explain. But yeah, the thumbnail is the first thing you see before you click on a video. If you have a bad thumbnail, no one's going to click on it because it's going to be like, oh, don't like that. It's like, you know, like you shouldn't judge a book by its cover, but on YouTube you do. Like if you look up like try on haul and you're looking through what videos to watch, you're going to want one with like a good quality thumbnail with like nice colours in, like either simple. You're not going to swipe and see a thumbnail with like really bad quality, like fuzzy and blurry of just like someone's face. You're not going to click on that, let's be honest. I know you shouldn't judge a book by its cover, but you're all sitting here thinking, yeah, that's true. So yeah, you need to have good thumbnails. I will do a video on that, I promise. And I will do a video on how I make my intros too, because I know a lot of people want that. But yeah, that is actually the end of today's video. I know it's quite a short video. Is it short? Probably. But I just wanted to go do a video that was like kind of short because I know a lot of people don't want to sit there watching for hours and hours on how like to do it. But yeah, you just need to be patient, work hard, and that is the key to success. Basically, don't give up. It might take you longer than others. It could take you a year to get to 100 subscribers. But don't give up. Do not give up, because it will come. Your time will come for you. And if something's not working, if you're not getting subscribers, change it up a bit. Maybe just change it up a bit. Because I know for a fact, when I stopped doing makeup, I was on like 10k. And then when I started changing up my channel, but doing different things, I got more subscribers. And just be original. I know obviously like you can't be too original, because like a million people have done hauls and that, you know what I mean? But yeah, I just hope this has helped even one person. If this, I don't know if it's helped or not, I really don't know. But yeah, I really hope it has, a little bit, just a little bit. But yeah, I love you so much. Thank you for helping me out with my channel. And honestly, like it just means a lot, because I watched so many of these videos before I did my channel, and it just feels weird to be filming it. Like, I know I'm not massive, but to me 33k is massive, because that's a lot of people. Imagine that in a room. Well, you wouldn't be able to get 33k in a room, but you know what I mean. Just thank you so much. I love you all. Have an amazing day. Make sure to subscribe down below, give a big thumbs up, and comment if you want. I love you all. Bye.